Hi, my name is Mohammad Tariq. I had 7-stage baldness, and then I came to know about new roots clearing through surfing the internet. And then I contacted Dr. Santosh and Shubhajit, and they gave me all the details. Then when I came here, I was really anxious and a little bit worried what exactly is going to be the process. But the doctors and the whole team, they explained me everything very nicely and in each, with all the minute details. And then I underwent the surgery. And after 6 months, this is the result I got, and I am very much satisfied with the result. And I followed all the suggestions and all the medications what was instructed. And I came for the follow-up, and thanks to New Roots Clinic that I got this wonderful result, and I'm very much satisfied with it.